Why the chicken cross the road? To jump into my slow cooker for today's recipe. Okay, that's lame. G'day. The recipe we're going to cook today is delicious. It's chickeny and it's cheesy. And best of all, it's simple to make. My name is Shane and today I'm going to cook this Parmesan chicken pasta and garlic bread. What we're going to need for this Parmesan chicken pasta is 750 grams or 1.5 pounds of chicken breast, 500 grams or 1 pound of penne pasta, 3 jars of your favourite pasta sauce, quarter of a cup of Parmesan cheese, and by a quarter of a cup of Parmesan cheese, I mean 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Instead of cheddar you can also use mozzarella. We're going to need some salt and pepper to taste. Okay, so this bit's super simple. Add the chicken into the slow cooker. With pepper. Salt. And then pour over your pasta sauce. I'm using like a bolognese pasta sauce here, but if you're using just a plain pasta sauce, you can add extra herbs in like oregano or oregano as the Americans say, some basil. Okay, now we'll whack the lid on, put it on high and come back in 4 hours. Okay, it's been about 3.5 hours. I've just added some salt to some water and brought to a boil. I'm just going to put the pasta in. Just follow the instructions on your pasta packet. Okay, that's ready. I'm just going to go and drain this and then head over to the slow cooker and check the chicken. Okay, it's been about 4 hours. Oh, gee, that smells really good. We're just using 2 forks. We're just going to break this chicken up. Oh man, this smells really good. Okay, that chicken looks good, nice and broken up. Let's mix it all in. Okay, now we're just going to add the pasta in. Now we're just going to mix the pasta in. Oh man, I wish you guys had smell-o-vision. This smells really good. Mixed in really well. Okay, now we're just going to add our cheddar cheese. Or mozzarella if you decide to use that. As well as our Parmesan. Now we're just going to cover this and come back when the cheese is melted. Okay, I'm just going to preheat this oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit. For the garlic bread, we're going to need 1 French roll or baguette. For the garlic butter, I've softened 100 grams of butter, added 1 teaspoon of chopped parsley and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Now you can use fresh garlic if you like, but I'm lazy and just used it out of the jar. I'll just mix all these ingredients together until they're well combined. Okay, with the French roll, we're just going to cut it into pieces. Don't go all the way through though, just want to leave that little bit hanging on to the bottom. Now what we're going to do is take a nice generous helping of the butter, place on the bread. Don't be too stingy here, you want a lot of butter on this. Bit of a messy job, but don't worry about that. Okay, I've put the butter in the French roll. I've just wrapped it in foil and I'm about to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Oh, that cheese is melted nicely. Look at that. Alright, I'm just going to serve some of this up and I'll be back. I just got this garlic bread out of the oven. Oh, look at that. Oh, yum. Oh, this looks delicious. Oh, yum. Yum. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.